Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be making a T-Rex game in Scratch. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys are familiar with the T-Rex game. So yeah, basically just jump over the cactuses and you get a score. My bad. And you get a score every single time you jump over one. It's really simple, and also I added my own twist. So every time your score gets higher and higher, it gets also harder, and it also gets faster. Right, so let's get straight into it. I'm gonna be downloading. I already have them exported, so let's just make a new project. Alrighty. So the first up, let's just export my sprites real quick. And yeah, so download T-Rex sprite and the Cactus sprite. Alright, for some reason it always brings the code with it, so let's get that out of the way. Alright, first of all, what I'm gonna do is just make my backdrop real quick. It's really easy. Just draw a line across right here. This, move it a bit down. Yeah, perfect. Alrighty, so now we're gonna get this cactus over here. So the first step that you want to be doing is going to the T-Rex, going to when green flag is clicked, go to this. Since it's already auto-generated for wherever you put it, it's already auto-generated. Just click the green flag and it's gonna go there. Alright, the next step what we want it to do is jump whenever we click the space key. So what you're gonna do is go to the control, grab a repeat 10 times, and go to motion and do change Y by 10. So now you can see when you press the space bar, it goes up. But now what we're missing is we also need it to go down. So what you're gonna do here is just change it to -10, press the green flag, and boom, it comes down every single time you click space. And that is basically it for the T-Rex sprite for now. We go over to the cactus and we're gonna do one green flag clicked, go to motions and grab a go to. So right over there. And you're gonna put this in a forever loop, and I will be explaining why just in a second. Now what you're gonna do is go over to the T-Rex, which is like right over here, and you're gonna get glide to this and change this to 3 seconds, because 1 second is way too fast for this. Look, it's super fast, but what I did do is when the score reaches 40, it turns into 1 second, so it glides in 1 second and it's really fast. Alright, the next step what we have to do is, so as it's gliding, right, we need, so as soon as it touches the T-Rex, we need it to broadcast and stop the game. But for that, we need to also go to my backdrops real quick. I'm going to duplicate this, get a text, right, oops, wait, let me just change this font to pixel, game over. Oh, it's white color, my bad. There we go. Alright, now we can just type in game over. And what you're going to do now is just make it a bit bigger. Put this over to the center right here. And boom, you're now done with the game over. Go over to the cactus and go grab an if-then statement. Go over to sensing, grab touching. If touching T-Rex, then stop all. Perfect. Alright, go over to looks, but before it stops all, we needed to switch over to the backdrop too, which is the game over backdrop. So, and then also what we wanted to do is, let's go over to our backdrops and do one green flag is clicked, go over to backdrop, switch backdrop to backdrop 1, so that it's not always showing the game over screen. And then when the cactus touches the T-Rex, boom, game over. Alright, so now what you're going to be doing is going over to variables and make a variable. We already have the score one. So what you're going to do is go over to the T-Rex and grab a forever loop. Inside the forever loop, actually you don't need a forever loop, my bad guys. So what you're going to do is change grab a change score by 1 every time it does this. Does the jumping motion. So as you can see, as soon as it jumps over it, my bad. As soon as it jumps over it, it shows the score going up, and then as soon as you the cactus hits it, game over. But now what we wanted to do is set the score to 0 every single time that we are starting the game. So for that, what you're going to do is set score to 0 when green flag is clicked. So now, whenever the game restarts, when you click the green flag, the score is at 0, so you don't continue off where you left. So now go over to the cactus, and what you're going to be doing now is going over to a control, grab an if, go over to operators, if score, going over to variables, grab this, if score equals 220, then go over to this, switch costume to Cactus 2. And also you want to switch the costume to Cactus 1 every time the game restarts. And then duplicate this, over here, put it back. If score is 40, switch the costume to Cactus 3. So now, let me just have this going over here. Oh, one more thing I forgot is you're going to go over here, duplicate this block right here, the go to, and then put it in there, and then change the seconds every single score. Then duplicate that again, get that in there, remove that, duplicate it by 1. Alright, let's set the score real quick to 20, and start the game. So now you can see as soon as you get past this one, it gets faster. And now it also changes the costume. Now let me change this to 40. Let's see that. Now you can see it's super faster, and the costume is actually changed to 3. So yeah, guys, that is it. And then you also want this to be there forever, because what it's doing is, one second. What it's doing is it's always doing that. So we want it to do it forever. Boom. Alright, now let's test it out. Oops. Oh, I think the forever loop thingy just messed it up. And then yeah, that's basically it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to do this correctly, otherwise it won't work. I have done it, I've made some mistakes in this game and it didn't work. So yeah, you guys can also just have your own thoughts about this, and yeah, add your own twist, add your own levels, and just be creative and add stuff that you want to in your game. And yeah, let me just rename this to T-Rex game. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe and like if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Also, since it's fall break for me, I'm probably going to be uploading more videos this week. So maybe 3 videos. So yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.